Hello, welcome to another episode of 3-minute videos with Nathaniel. This time I got a new whiteboard. My dad ordered it for me. And this is my cat called Coco. Say hi to everyone, Coco. Now we'll put Coco down. And move on to question 1A of MAT Oxford 2020. The question asks to draw a square. Suppose this is the square with a center 3, 4 and one of its coordinates 1, 5. Now, the only way to solve this problem is to draw its diagonals. Alright, now, so we'll label the points for convenience sake. A, B, C, D, and the point at the center is labeled P. Now, the radius of AP equals to the rise over run. So we take the y coordinates of P minus the y coordinate of A and divide it by the x coordinate of P minus the y coordinate of A. This equals this. Now, PB is rectangular to PA, as you might all know. So it's right angled, so I'll draw this big right angle sign here. So it's minus 1 over 2 equals to 2. So it's the same distance. So what we do is that 3, 4. So we can treat these coordinates as separate numbers. So this distance is 2 minus 1. Now we need to find one which is 1 minus 2. So 3, 4 plus 1 minus 1. So let me think about it. So 1, 5, 3, 4. So obviously the next coordinate will be plus 1. So it will be 1, 2. Because the x coordinate is 1 and the y coordinate stay the same. Now this. Notice. Now we need to find C. It's as simple as continuing two arithmetic sequences. So let's draw B here. So C will be 5, 3, and we'll continue another arithmetic sequence to this become 2, 2. Hey, out of all the points in here that we found, D is the only one that satisfies the option. So this is option D. There you have it. A square with a center, some points, some gradients, and some basic coordinate geometry. See you. Bye.